In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the calendar on Fresha. Whether you're updating it for new business hours or setting up your calendar for the first time, I'll walk you through the entire process, ensuring that you know every detail along the way. So, let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to access your Fresha Partner account. Open your preferred web browser and type in the Fresha Partner dashboard URL. Once it loads, make sure you're logged in to proceed. If you're not already signed in, enter your credentials and click on the login button. Once you're in the dashboard, your next stop is the settings tab. Look at the side navigation panel. You should find the settings option. Click on it. The settings tab is where you manage most of the operational aspects of your account, including your calendar and scheduling preferences. Within the settings menu, you're going to see a section titled Scheduling. Click on that. This is where you can begin to customize how your time is managed on the platform. Now, under the scheduling settings, look for time and calendar. Click on this to access the detailed settings. Here, you have the flexibility to adjust both your date and time configurations, as well as your calendar settings to better fit your operational needs. Let's start with date and time settings. You can make changes to reflect your local time zone or adjust for daylight saving time if needed. Once you're in the time and calendar section, you'll see an edit button. Click on it and it'll open up your current date and time configurations. Enter any adjustments necessary, perhaps due to seasonal changes or operational hour shifts. After you've made your desired changes, don't forget to save them by clicking the Save button. It's crucial to save often to prevent any loss of data, especially when you're working on several tweaks at once. Now, let's move on to the calendar settings. You'll want to navigate to the calendar settings section. Here again, click on Edit. This will allow you to adjust your calendar's layout or settings. Much like before, once you've opened up this edit screen, you can make the necessary changes to suit your business requirements. After you've made the necessary changes within the calendar settings, once again, remember to hit Save. This action ensures that all of your updates are saved and implemented effectively. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your calendar on Fresha. Remember, keeping your calendar updated is vital for smooth operational efficiency and ensuring your clients can book appointments without any hitches. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you found this video helpful. Make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more guides. Have a great day.